Remember now that complaints are being filed one after another. We are told another complaint has been filed against the illegal basement that was being allowed to run. The complaint was filed to Delhi government month before the tragedy. Unbelievable. This is a shocking revelation. Another scoop that we are bringing to here on India Today. So it's not out of the unknown that this has happened. This was clearly in the documents of our officials. The complainant had red flagged the basement misuse. Believe it when you hear it, when we say that a month ago there was a complainant, an alert citizen who had filed a complaint alerting that there could be an impending accident here. The complaint was made on the Delhi government portal and was ignored. Who is responsible for this? So now we can blame the authorities, but remember there were enough alert citizens around who decided to rise to understanding the situation on the ground, but our Babus kept sitting. What worth is your Delhi government portal if it's not taken cognizance of? Let's listen in to one of the complainants speaking to India Today. He did file a complaint and nothing was done.
मैं किशोर, मैंने 26 जून 2024 को बेसमेंट ये इसकी कंप्लेंट की थी। इस संबंध में पब्लिक ग्रीवेंस पोर्टल के माध्यम से केंद्र सरकार एवं राज्य सरकार को बताया था कि कैसे ओल्ड राजन नगर एवं साउथ पटेल नगर में और पूरे पटेल नगर में लाइब्रेरियां और कोचिंग बेसमेंट में संचालित होते हैं। स्पेशली मैंने राव आईएएस की बेसमेंट की कंप्लेंट की थी क्योंकि उसमें दुर्घटना होने की संभावना लग रही थी। इसका प्रति सरकार के पोर्टल पर उपलब्ध है तथा इस प्रकार की आगे दुर्घटनाओं को रोका जा सके, इसमें पूर्णतः जिम्मेदारी प्रशासन की है तथा एमसीडी कमिश्नर पूर्णतः जिम्मेदार हैं इसके लिए, क्योंकि ऐसी दुर्घटनाएं भविष्य में बार बार न हो। इस संबंध में सरकार को कोई उचित कदम उठाना चाहिए और ऐसे संचालकों पर ठोस से ठोस कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए, जिससे कई माता पिता के बुढ़ापे का सहारा एवं कई बच्चों का जीवन छीन लिया और पता नहीं ऐसे कितने बेसमेंट संचालित होते हैं इस एरिया में। इसकी कोई ठोस जानकारी नहीं है, कृपया करके इन पर संज्ञान लिया जाए। धन्यवाद।
I now bring in Shreya Chatterjee for the latest on that. Shreya, what shocks me is the date he mentioned, 26th June. Exactly 30 days ago, he had risen up and as a responsible citizen, alerted the authorities, but clearly everyone was sleeping. What do you think is happening here? You could see the flood water. There was an official complaint. What more did our Babus want?
Well, you know, one thing, Pooja, it's something that we shouldn't shy away from suggesting and saying in the open, that the reason these centers, they continue to violate and flout the norms and run such centers out of their libraries, out of the basements, is because of the fact that the local level functionaries of the MCD, be it any other local authorities, they fill their pockets and they look away. There are complaints after complaints that are raised. This particular student, he's also one of them who's actually preparing for a competitive exam, had flagged this. He had filed a formal complaint about Rao IOS. Despite that, no action was taken. We have a proof that there was a show cause notice also issued. So the MCD very well knew that this was being done. Even after that, if an NOC is renewed, if a permit is renewed, it is impossible to have achieved that on the part of this particular coaching center without keeping them in loop. So clearly, heads need to roll so far as the MCD is concerned. Who's responsible? If the Delhi government suggests that the government officials under the LG are not working, then they should be held accountable. If the MCD officials are not doing their duty so far as the ground level workers are concerned, they should be held accountable. So far as the coaching is concerned, they have been arrested, investigation is under its way, but it's high time that the accountability is pinned on the local authorities, because year after year these incidents are reported. This is not the first time, Pooja, that lives have been lost for violation of building norms so far as basements are concerned. Everyone knows that libraries run out of basement in the old Rajendra Nagar area. What was stopping the MCD to seal these coaching centers before? And now that they have blood on their hands, they definitely should be booked for this kind of criminal negligence.
in different states are currently going through. It's absolutely shameful, really, of what happened. Stay on with me, Shreya, because if there was proof that you needed, was this complainant really speaking the truth? Well, here's the digital proof. The fact that 26 June, exactly a month ago, this alert citizen had filed a complaint saying, sir, it's very important and urgent. And his name is Kishore Singh Kushwaha. Here's the date of the receipt, and it was also received by the NCT of Delhi. He's saying that there are these classrooms that are running in Old Rajinder Nagar, where you can see that norms are being violated consistently, and then there has been that please take action immediately. It appears that it was even it was seen and approved by a certain officer, but then appears nothing has happened. He's saying kadi karwai aapki kripa hogi agar kare, to literally a citizen has to inform and say take some action. You can see that there are different classrooms that are being run. And whether it is about money or any other issue, the fact is that they are running these specific classrooms and coaching centers without much of an approval.